Bonjour la classe de français 2. This is your vocab list for Unité 8A, le temps et les animaux. We'll start with what is the weather like? Quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? The weather report is la météo. La météo. Do you want to is tu as envie de. Tu as envie de. And you can follow that with any infinitive you like. And you can also conjugate for any form of avoir you'd like. You can say j'ai envie de and give a statement of what you want to do. You can say vous avez envie de if you're asking in the formal form. For good idea, it's bonne idée. Bonne idée. I'm free is je suis disponible. Je suis disponible. Sorry is désolé. Désolé. And I'm busy is je suis occupé. Je suis occupé. And if you identify as female, you would add an E to the end of désolé and occupé. Further down the list, in the summer is en été. En été. In the winter is en hiver. En hiver. In the fall is en automne. En automne. And the letter M is silent in en automne. In the spring is au printemps. Au printemps. The weather is nice is il fait beau, and the weather is bad is il fait mauvais. These are review from French 1. The weather is hot is il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. The weather is cold is il fait froid. Il fait froid. The weather is sunny is il fait du soleil. Il fait du soleil. The weather is windy is il fait du vent. Il fait du vent. The weather is foggy is il fait du brouillard. Il fait du brouillard. One more time, brouillard, kind of like brew yard, but with a rolly R. It is snowing is il neige. It is raining is il pleut. Snow is la neige. La neige. Rain is la pluie. La pluie. Hail is la grêle. La grêle. Lightning is des éclairs. Des éclairs. And here are the words for some animals. The noises that they make sound pretty similar to the way they sound and the way we say them in English. They're just spelled differently. So a dog is un chien. Un chien. And it says woof woof. A cat is un chat. Un chat. And a cat says meow. A goldfish is un poisson rouge. Un poisson rouge. and that's kind of like a red fish in French. And un poisson rouge says glou glou, kind of like glug glug. A bird is un oiseau, and it says qui qui. A horse is un cheval, and this word is pronounced hee hee hee, like nee, only it's hee hee. Here are some others that aren't in our text. A cow is une vache. A sheep is un mouton. A duck is un canard. And a pig is un cochon. Just extras for you to know. Feel free to listen to this and repeat as much as you need to practice our vocab from this chapter. Au revoir la classe de français.